everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to test microphone in Windows 10, so you can quickly check if your mic is working properly. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the Start menu and select the Settings gear icon. The Start menu is located at the bottom left corner of your screen and gives access to system features. Opening Settings is important because it allows you to manage and control your device hardware. Step 2. Go to System and then click on Sound. The System section contains important options related to display, notifications, and audio settings. The Sound option is where you manage speakers, microphones, and other audio devices. Step 3. Scroll down to the Input section. The input area shows the microphone currently connected to your computer. This section is important because it allows you to adjust and test your selected recording device. Step 4. Under Test Your Microphone, look at the blue bar while speaking into your mic. If the blue bar moves as you talk, it means your microphone is picking up sound correctly. This confirms that your microphone is working properly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.